आनी आतां पुराय खबरो. बुधवारा मंत्रिमंडळाची बसका जाली. गांवांत कोयर एकठांय करप हें थळाव्या प्रशासनाचें प्राथमीक काम. सरकार तांकां भर दिता. राज्यांत विविध एजन्सी जे वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंटाचे प्रकल्प सांबाळटाले ते सगळे तरेचे वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट प्रकल्प आतां एकूच एजन्सी खाला येतले म्हूण म्हायती मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकर हांणी दिल्या. RDX खातीर पर्वच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर कॅन्झल रॉड्रिगीस आनी गौतम शिरोडकार.
The cabinet took decision to transfer all waste. It was decided earlier, and Waste Management Corporation has been formed through an act. But there were certain works which had already been being operated by various other agencies. GSIDC कोणुटे करताले. काकोड्याची जी आसा ती GSIDC तांच्यांनीच सगळे प्रोसेस केल्लो. मागीर पुणे इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेटीन कॉमन बायोमेडिकल वेस्ट ट्रीटमेंट फॅसिलिटी आणि काही अन्य प्रोजेक्ट्स अबाउट वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट ते पूर्णपणे कॅबिनेट हॅज अप्रूव्ड टू ट्रान्सफर ऑल ऑफ देम लॉक स्टॉक बॅरल विथ कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट एवरीथिंग टू गोवा वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट. गोवा वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट हॅज बीन गिवन द टास्क ऑफ entire management of all types of waste. There are something like 10-12 types of waste. The e-waste, plastic waste, normal municipal waste, then hazardous waste, biomedical waste. So there are a variety of waste which all will be a single agency and according whatever was with other departments, GSIDC, with other agencies like IDC, they have been transferred lock, stock, barrel to Goa Waste Management Corporation. Along with the existing contracts, they will sign a amendment contract with the garbage treatment is the responsibility of local cell body. Government agency is only to assist. We are assisting them because we realize that though legally it is their responsibility, they are not in position to come to a technology solution. Some of them do manage local natural solution, but that is not adequate in many cases because of complexity of waste. These I am talking of municipal waste, the municipal and panchayat waste. The other waste don't come under panchayats. Hazardous waste, biomedical waste, e-waste, plastic waste. These are all, they have their own regulations or act. But Tanka, they do not have any specific agency to handle. Each department and the environment department handle one thing. Maybe medical department or health department handle biomedical waste. Then your e-waste has to be handled by IT. So all these agencies are not equipped to handle waste. Waste is though it may be computer waste, it may be medical waste. The waste treatment is a different concept. So that treatment has a scientific base of treating.